What is up, YouTube? Trading recap. This is March 3rd, Friday the 20th, 2026. I traded micro E-mini Nasdaq. Hit full TP today. Session New York Open. Bias was bearish. And let me just show you how I got that bias. Hold up. Alright. So first I went on to the daily. On the daily chart, or like the chart, yeah. Oh, here it is. On the daily, I sorry, had to record something for the daily vlog. All right, so obviously this is a downtrend. Look, boom, break straight to the downside, come up, break down. We didn't actually get lower lows, but it's lower than this low, so it's going down, come up, lower low again, and during I think London session we actually went below here. And then after that, on the 4 hour, went down to that. Boom, broke a structure here. And then just stayed in a continuous downtrend the entire time. On the 1 hour chart, same thing. We did break back up here, but then after that we kind of accumulated and then broke to the downs. Oopsie. And then broke to the downside. And then if we look at the 15-minute, this is important. So my little trade notebook I have. So here, let me actually read it out to you. This is another thing. Previous session manipulation plus reversal equals new session continuation. So we manipulated down and then we saw a reversal up, but it didn't continue. So that's kind of weird. I feel like it shouldn't really happen. But then also it says I don't know, it just pointed to up, like it was more to the downside, but it doesn't really matter. So what I saw down to the 5 minute, so I can actually show you my confluences of the trade. There's no news today, no news Friday. No news. March 20th, no news. That's the date. So here's what we look at. Alright, so we see market moves down pretty much immediately, comes down, doesn't close. Oh, I guess it does close. Never mind, it does close below it. I don't think it did it on yes, yeah, look, see, it didn't close. So when the candlestick doesn't close below the wick of this fair value gap, then that means usually there's going to be a like movement up to fill it. And that's exactly what happened. So it moved really strongly up into this order block, fair value gap. I'm like, alright, it's in a fair value gap. It's in the equilibrium 0.5 zone. It's in the discounted price zone. So let's go to the 1 minute. I'm like, so those are two of the confluences. We got 5 minute order block, 5 minute fair value gap, and 5 minute equilibrium. There's three right there. Confluences. Okay, and now we go here. Came all the way up into 1 minute order block. Hold up. I want to look at one thing. I want to make sure of something real quick. Oh, on MNQ it came up into a 1 minute fair value gap too. So I wanted to count that as, because they're like corresponding things. I'm like, might as well. I was thinking of trading on MNQ. I would have made a little bit of a better profit today. I would have been actually plus on the month. I would have been positive on the month, but it's all good. We won. No issues at all. So here's what happened. I saw this movement up, and I'm like, yesterday, last time this movement up happened, like it was a little more choppy, so it's a little harder to like actually see the market. But I saw this movement up similar to this, so I'm like, let's be a little more careful. Let's wait till something actually happens here. So I waited till a movement down that was confirming, and moved down, inverse fair value gap here, and I'm like, all right, let's enter. Boom, entered as high as possible on this bearish candlestick, and it just came up a little bit, and then completely moved down straight to TP when the trade was at 9:46, which is 6:46 my time, a little early. Trade ended at 9:58, which should be 6:58 for me. Damn, look at that. Just accumulate accumulation the entire time for more movement down. Crazy. When did the market close? Right here. Damn, there's like no trades the rest of the time. I guess you could go for these lows after this. But this is the trade today. Probably the best one. I don't know. I bet you guys traded this if you guys traded today. Hopefully you guys did. The profits of this trade, I won around, let's see, $100.37. That's not correct. I actually made $135.60, so a little bit less than this. It was what was it, 1.2 or 2.89 ratio, which is really good trade. And then obviously it was a win. What I'll do better for this trade is I'll try to enter better, and maybe next time like enter on M and Q, because M and Q actually did have a really good entry point too. If you look here, 1 minute fair value gap, unlike ES didn't go into the 1 minute fair value, tipped into the order block perfectly, and it was in a 5 minute fair value gap. So the confluences were a little better aligned, as you can see here, 1 minute fair value gap, and then perfect just movement down straight to TP, which my TP was London lows. That's what I aim for. London lows, which is this blue. So red are Asian lows and Asian highs, and blue is London highs and London lows. Wait, yeah, Asian high, Asian low, which is over here. London high, London low. So those are what my targets were, but it was obviously shorts today, so I targeted here. If it was longs, I would have targeted either London highs or Asian highs. And yep, that's the trading we got for today. I was very happy I won this trade, and happy that my analyst was correct for today. See you guys tomorrow in the next trading recap, which will be next week on Monday. And stay tuned with the daily vlogs, those will be posting daily.